We've seen firsthand how painful it is when a loved one struggles with Alzheimer's, losing not just memories, but their sense of connection to people they cherish the most. This isn't a rare story. In 2025, 57 million people worldwide are living with dementia, and that number is projected to triple by 2050. A staggering 50% of cases go undiagnosed. The leading causes are a lack of healthcare access and stigma around memory testing. But what if we could change that? What if we could passively detect memory decline early when treatments are most effective? And what if, as memory fades, we could still provide a way to remember the important people in our lives, restoring confidence and connection? Today, we introduce Memory, a novel memory assistance platform designed to do just that. As you can see from our system architecture, we built Memory as the world's first progressive web app compatible with XR devices built and run entirely on Bolt.new. Our front end built with React.js running on Node.js backend with a DynamoDB database. For our AI-driven facial recognition, we leverage AWS recognition with user photos securely managed by AWS S3. This PWA approach is crucial. It makes memory instantly accessible on any device with a camera and browser and internet, from mobile phone to soon to be launched AR glasses running Android. Now, let me show you how it works. For a patient, the experience is seamless. First, they create a profile, then they add their contacts, and now memory will recognize faces in real time. To show you what it will eventually look like on AR glasses, we will log in and take a picture on MetaQuest. It then discreetly displays a browser overlay with their name, relationship to the patient, and important reminders, turning a moment of uncertainty into one of confident recognition. But where memory is truly revolutionary is in our approach to early detection. We've delivered and developed the world's first passive early detection system for dementia using facial recognition. Our app features a unique memory score algorithm. By optionally asking if a user recognizes a person, our system tracks memory over time in the background, avoiding the stigma of a formal test. A declining score can be a gentle, private indicator that a person should seek clinical testing. Memory supports the entire circle of care. Caregivers can create and manage profiles for loved ones, add important reminders, and see a real time activity log, empowering them to provide better, more informed care. Memory is more than a PWA, it's a bridge to maintaining priceless connections. Our next steps are to enhance our memory score with voice support for improved accuracy, add multilingual options for global accessibility, and allow to auto import contacts to get started even faster. We designed memory to be empowering, not invasive. We're turning moments of uncertainty into moments of renewed connection. Thank you.